There is nothing better than when you find the perfect recipe. Hi, my name is Lindsay Hoffman. I am Vice President of Client Services with SeedWorld Create. And finding the perfect recipe is absolutely my 100% favorite part about my job. You might be saying, recipe? This is seed marketing. What are you talking about? Well, it is a recipe, actually. That strategy that we put together for customers when we do a strategic planning session or look at their marketing communications plan, we take, here's the things that you've done in the past, here's the things you're hoping to accomplish, here are the things we're really good at, here are the areas we need support, and we put that all together for our customers and look at how they can accomplish their goals, what pieces they are really good at that they can champion, and what pieces they maybe need support on, and find the perfect recipe for them to go forward and accomplish their sales and marketing goals. And hearing the success that people have is such a positive feeling and great part of this job.